Peppa and her family are in Australia, getting ready for a special underwater adventure.
Are we really going under the sea, Mrs. Kangaroo?
Yes, Peppa. Hop into my yellow submarine and let's explore the Great Barrier Reef.
Everyone climbs inside, and the submarine slowly dives down into the ocean.
Glub, glub, bubbles!
Oh, my goodness! It is wonderfully calm and quiet down here. The submarine arrives at the Great Barrier Reef, the biggest coral reef in the world.
Wow! It looks like an amazing underwater garden!
Look at all those beautiful tiny fish swimming together.
Fishy! Dinosaur swim too!
Suddenly, a very large and friendly sea turtle swims right up to the window.
Hello, Mr. Turtle! You are a very excellent swimmer!
The sea turtle has lived in this beautiful reef for a very long time.
Seeing all this beautiful water is making me quite thirsty for a cup of tea.
Exploring the Great Barrier Reef is a truly magical experience for everyone.
Today is a very special day. It is Goldie the fish's birthday.
Welcome to the magical Under the Sea Party, little ocean explorers.
I am a beautiful mermaid. Look at my shiny tail. Snip, snip. Crab! Roar!
Now, who is ready for a magnificent underwater treasure hunt?
I want to find the buried pirate treasure first. The children follow the map to search for the hidden pirate treasure. Nay! I found a shiny clue hidden in the coral reef. Let's see what it says. It points towards the dark sea cave. Excellent work, sea creatures! Let's open the treasure chest. Wow! It is full of shiny gold chocolate coins.
Goldie the fish is very happy with her spectacular birthday party.
Happy birthday, dear Goldie! Hooray!
Grandpa Pig is taking Peppa and George for a trip on his sailing boat.
Ahoy there! Prepare to set sail! Hold on tight, little ones.
Whee! The wind is pushing us! We are going so fast! Dinosaur! Sail! Roar!
Oh dear. The tide is going out very quickly.
With a soft bump, the sailing boat gets completely stuck in the mud.
Grandpa, why have we stopped? Where did all the water go?
It is low tide, Peppa. We must wait for the seawater to come back. The water will not return until tomorrow. They have to sleep on the boat.
This is like a very special camping trip on the sea. Night, night, Dinosaur.
The next morning, the high tide finally brings the ocean water back.
Wake up, sailors! The boat is floating again. Let's go home.
That was a brilliant adventure, Grandpa. I loved sleeping on the boat.
Today is Captain Dog's birthday, and he is taking everyone on a canal boat trip.
Ahoy there, mateys! Welcome aboard my beautiful canal boat.
Happy birthday, Captain Dog! We are ready for an adventure!
The canal boat travels very slowly and peacefully along the quiet water.
Look ahead! There is a giant hole right in the middle of the mountain.
That is the canal tunnel. It is going to get very dark and echoey inside.
Hello? Echo?
Dinosaur!
Roll!
The boat sails out of the dark tunnel and back into the bright sunshine. Oh dear! The canal stops here. There are giant wooden gates in the way.
That is a water lock. It acts like a giant water elevator for boats.
Leave it to me. I will turn the handle to let the water inside.
Water rushes into the lock, lifting the heavy boat higher and higher.
The boat went up. Now we can sail straight across the bridge.
We are sailing in the sky! This is the best birthday ever, Dad! Thank you, my excellent crew! Sailing up high is the perfect way to celebrate!
Peppa and her family are in Australia, visiting their friend Kylie Kangaroo.
I love the beach. What are those big colorful boards for?
They are surfboards, Peppa. We are going to ride the ocean waves today.
Grab your boards, little ones. It is time for a proper surfing lesson.
Peppa and Kylie paddle their boards out into the beautiful blue sea.
Get ready! A big wave is coming! Stand up on 3!
1, 2, 3. This is very easy.
Here I go. Whoops! Oh dear.
Surfing takes a bit of practice. Peppa tries again on the very next wave.
Look at me! I am a real Australian surfer. George surfed too. Dinosaur surf. Whee!
We don't have a tiny surfboard for you, George, but I have a brilliant idea.
George has found a very special, bouncy surfboard of his own.
Best surfboard! That is certainly the roundest surfboard in all of Australia.
Peppa and her family are at the bottom of a very, very big hill.
Wow! That hill touches the clouds. Let's climb to the top.
Follow me. Climbing hills is excellent exercise for the legs.
March! March! Up.
Whew, my legs are getting a little bit tired now.
Keep going, Peppa. We are almost at the very top.
Finally, the family reaches the very top of the big hill.
It is beautiful! I can see the whole wide world from up here.
Look over there. You can even see Granddad Dog's garage.
Tiny house. Squeak! Squeak!
After enjoying the view, it is time to go back down the hill.
Walking down is boring. Let's roll down like giant logs. Whee!
Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and George all join in rolling down the soft hill.
Whoa! My head is spinning. But that was brilliant fun.
George is growing up fast. Today, he is learning how to use the potty. Look, George, this is your very own special potty.
It is for when you need to go to the toilet, George. Potty? Dinosaur use potty? Mummy Pig helps George put on his brand new big boy pants.
Remember, George, tell us very quickly if you need to use the potty.
Later, Peppa and George are having a wonderful time playing with their toys. My tower is going to be as tall as the ceiling. Yeah!
Suddenly, George stops playing. He feels a little funny feeling.
Oh, potty. Need potty now.
Quick, George, let's get to the potty right away.
George runs as fast as his little legs can possibly carry him.
I made it! Dinosaur, wait here.
Well done, George. He used the potty perfectly, all by himself.
Hooray for George! You are a very clever big boy now.
Today at Playgroup, Madame Gazelle has brought a very special game. Children, this is a play parachute. Everyone hold a handle, please. I have a red handle. What do we do now, Madame Gazelle? Let's make gentle ocean waves. Wiggle your arms up and down.
Splish! Splash! Ocean!
Now, they're going to make a giant spaceship. On 3, lift it as high as you can. 1, 2, 3, up! Wow! It looks just like a giant flying spaceship.
Before the spaceship flies away, they turn it into a cozy tent.
Quickly! Pull the handles behind your backs and sit down. It is so colorful and secret inside our special tent. For the final game, Madame Gazelle throws a soft ball into the middle. Let's make the ball pop like popcorn. Shake the parachute hard.
Woof! The ball is bouncing all the way to the sky. Playing with the parachute is the best game ever!
Hooray! Today at Playgroup, Madame Gazelle has set up a special weather station.
Madame Gazelle, what does a weather station do?
It helps us measure if it will rain or be sunny. It tells us if it will be sunny, windy, rainy, or cold today.
Whew! Look at that funny striped bag on a long stick.
That is a windsock, Danny. It shows us how strong the wind is blowing.
And what is this little plastic cup for?
That catches the rain. But today the thermometer says it is very warm. Suddenly, a big dark cloud moves in and covers the bright sun.
Oh, look! The windsock is flying straight out now! Rain! Drip, drop! Oh, The little plastic cup is catching all the water quickly.
Let's check the thermometer again. My goodness, it is getting freezing cold.
The rain has stopped, but now something white and fluffy is falling.
It is snowing! A real magic snowstorm at playgroup!
Our weather station recorded sunshine, wind, rain, and snow all in one day.